Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive into an important question for aspiring streamers. How much money can you make on Twitch? We'll break down the various revenue streams, factors affecting earnings, and provide a step-by-step understanding of potential income. Let's get started. Understanding Twitch revenue streams. Twitch offers multiple ways for streamers to monetize their content. Here are the primary revenue streams available. 1. Subscriptions. Twitch allows viewers to subscribe to a streamer's channel for a monthly fee. There are 3 subscription tiers: Tier 1, $4.99, Tier 2, $9.99, and Tier 3, $24.99. Streamers receive approximately 50% of the subscription revenue, with Twitch taking the remainder. Higher tier subscriptions can significantly boost earnings. 2. Bits. Viewers can cheer for streamers using bits, a form of virtual currency on Twitch. Streamers earn about 1 cent per bit when viewers use them during a stream. Engaging content and strong community interaction can lead to more cheers. 3. Ad revenue. Streamers can earn money from ads played during their streams. The amount earned depends on the number of viewers and ad impressions. On average, streamers can make between $2 to $10 per $1,000 ad impressions. 4. Donations. Many streamers receive direct donations from their audience through third-party services like PayPal or Patreon. These donations can vary widely, from small amounts to hundreds of dollars. 5. Sponsorships. Once a streamer builds a substantial following, they may attract sponsorship deals. These arrangements can provide significant income depending on the brand and the scope of the partnership. 6. Merchandise. Selling branded merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or stickers can be a lucrative revenue stream once a streamer establishes a fan base. Factors affecting earnings. Several factors influence how much money a streamer can make on Twitch. 1. Viewer engagement. Streamers with a loyal and engaged viewer base tend to earn more from subscriptions and donations. 2. Content. Niche. Certain niches may attract more viewers or sponsorship opportunities. For example, gaming, cooking, and lifestyle streams can have varying degrees of profitability. 3. Stream consistency. Regularly scheduled streams help maintain viewer interest. Streamers who are consistent often see higher subscriber numbers. 4. Marketing and branding. Effective self-promotion, social media presence, and collaborations can expand a streamer's reach and potential earnings. 5. Affiliate programs. Joining affiliate programs and promoting products can provide additional revenue through commissions on sales generated via referral links. Estimating potential earnings. Now that we've discussed the various ways to earn money on Twitch, let's look at how much an average streamer might make. 1. Small streamers. Streamers with a few hundred followers may earn between $50 to $500 per month through subscriptions, donations, and bits. 2. Medium streamers. Those with a few thousand followers and regular viewers can earn between $1,000 to $5,000 monthly, depending on their engagement and revenue streams. 3. Large streamers. Popular streamers who have built large communities can earn between $10,000 to $50,000 or more per month when considering subscriptions, donations, sponsorships, and ad revenue. Conclusion. Earnings on Twitch can vary significantly based on numerous factors, including viewer engagement, content type, and consistency. With dedication and a strategic approach to building a community, streamers can unlock impressive earning potential on the platform. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more content on streaming tips and tricks.